All right, I'm in Palmetto, Florida, and I'm about to do a bedliner on this new Ram. Show it to you. All right, brand new bed. Not a whole lot going on in there, other than it needs some protection. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it a good scuff right now, and get it all cleaned out and prepped first, and then I'll mask it all up and shoot some Versaliner in there. So that's what a brand new truck bed looks like prior to bedliner application. So Versaliner is a 2-part 2K urethane liner that has all the UV built into it. I can do these jobs mobile, as you see. I'm an hour and a half from my shop currently. It does cost slightly more to do this mobile, but generally people find the convenience more important than the additional charge. So let me know if you need me, and I'll bring you back when I've got something done. All right, so this Ram is all prepped and taped up, ready to start spraying. I got it all sanded down. I removed all the panels that I can get out easily, and I used adhesion promoter on all of the nooks and crannies that are in tight spots. I also use adhesion promoter around my edges. I also, after I get done taping, I go around and I sand those edges right by the tape so that I got good adhesion. Then I use the adhesion promoter. So it's all wiped down and prepped. Adhesion promoter on all around your edges and nooks and crannies. Some guys pull this panel off. I do not. I've never had any issues getting the bolts out or having to deal with that at a later date. So I just leave them on, and I use adhesion promoter around all the bolts. So everything sticks good, and it's about to look amazing. So I will bring you back when I've got something sprayed down. All right, boys and girls, it's all done. All the nooks and crannies are done. Looks great. If you need your bed liner installed, or any parts bed lined, or any auto body or paint, or any of that, 813-846-4406. I'm mobile for some stuff, but I do have a shop as well where I get the bigger jobs done. So something like this I can definitely do mobile. Today I'm in Palmetto, Florida, which is near Bradenton. So about an hour and a half away from home. No problem. If the money's right, I'm all over it. I still got to put the hardware back on, but that's it. This is the grand finale. It's actually already dry. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, my cell phone number is 813-846-4406, and this is a brand new 2025 Dodge Ram. Or I'm sorry, not Dodge, it's just a Ram. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.